Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please, I don't like those that are invading my dance floor.
GboahTv. You're watching GboahTv. Kindly click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so you get notified when we drop new videos. Thank you.
You are invading my dance floor. You are invading my dance floor. Please leave the dance floor. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the father of the bride on the dance floor? Can we have? All right, thank you for the correction, ma'am. Can we have the mother of the bride on the dance floor? Make way, ladies and gentlemen, make way. Adedimeji, can you come to the dance floor? Smile, God. Another legend and Nollywood industry. We are blessed to have him in our midst. Uncle Antalani, I celebrate you, sir. We celebrate you, sir. You're welcome, sir. Come and look on Uncle Kule afford wherever you are. God bless you, sir. I know you can afford everything. Ijebu, December 26th, we are coming for you. See my guy for Yankee. Uncle Sochi, I celebrate your birthday. God bless you. Ijebu, can we have the mother of the bride on the dance floor? Alright, Adedimeji, can you step on the dance floor? Mommy, I'm not to be back with you. Yeah. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, as you go to Yaba. Oh God. Can you see Adebimeji's wedding gown? So beautiful. Whoever made it, God bless you. Or party 600, nothing wrong. Wedding gown, totally car park lane.